How nutrition fuels brain health.
What if protecting your memory didn't start with puzzles or apps, but with what's on your plate? This is a journey into the mind diet, a way of eating designed not for weight loss or trends, but for keeping the brain sharp, resilient, and well-nourished over time. The mind diet sits at the crossroads of nutrition and neuroprotection. Its name stands for Mediterranean Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay, and its purpose is simple but powerful: support cognitive health and slow mental decline. Instead of strict rules, it gently guides you toward foods that help the brain and away from those that don't. At the heart of the diet are vegetables, especially leafy greens. Think kale, spinach, and cabbage showing up most days of the week. Alongside them come other vegetables: broccoli, carrots, tomatoes, adding color, fiber, and steady nourishment to the brain, one meal at a time. Berries bring a touch of sweetness with a serious cognitive payoff. A couple of servings a week is enough to matter. Nuts add crunch and healthy fats, showing up more frequently, almost like small daily investments in brain health. Whole grains form the backbone of daily fuel: breads, rice, pasta, and cereals that release energy slowly and keep the brain supplied. Beans and legumes join in regularly, offering plant-based protein that supports both body and mind. Fish appears weekly, prepared gently, never fried. Poultry follows a couple of times a week, also kept light. These proteins provide essential nutrients without the heavy fats that can weigh cognitive health down. Olive oil becomes the main cooking companion, replacing heavier fats. Wine appears modestly in the plan, not as a requirement, but as a component acknowledged in the overall pattern, emphasizing balance rather than excess. Some foods aren't forbidden, but they are gently fenced in. Red meats become occasional visitors instead of daily staples. Butter and margarine are kept minimal, reminding us that small limits can make a big difference. Cheese, sweets, and fast or fried foods shift from habits to treats. They're not banished, just minimized. The goal isn't perfection. It's reducing the noise that processed foods create in the body and brain. The mind diet isn't about strict rules or sudden overhauls. It's about patterns. Embracing brain-friendly foods most of the time and limiting the rest creates the strongest foundation for cognitive longevity. Small, steady choices, repeated over years, build a mind that's well-fed for life.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.